Hello and welcome to episode number 4 in my Metroidvania course demo series. Let's continue and have a look at some of the features you will learn how to implement when you enroll in this course. Let's start. Next, you will learn how to implement jump height control. The longer you hold down the jump button, the higher the character is going to jump. Next feature you will learn to implement is sliding, so we can get through narrow passages like this. Alright, this was all for episode number 4. In a day or two, we will continue in episode number 5. See you there!